Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-convert ng cash from GCredit to coins.ph. Login lang sa coins.ph. Search nyo lang yung Palawan Pawn Shop. Then, type nyo lang yung amount na gusto mong i-convert into cash from your GCredit. Yan, I need 1,500. Then, need mong i-type in yung email nyo. By the way, merong 25 pesos na service fee. So, ang total nun is yung 1,520. And then, yung 25 is 1,525. Type nyo lang yung email address nyo kasi dyan nyo marireceive yung reference number from DragonPay. So, after that, next lang. Tapos yun, review nyo lang yung mga nakasulat. So, makaka-receive na kayo ng email from DragonPay. Need nyo lang i-copy yung transaction reference number na nasa taas. Ayan guys, ika-copy ko lang yan. Pagkatapos, i-open ko ang aking GCash. Pagkatapos nun is, click ko lang yung bills. Pagkatapos, loading lang yan. Pagkatapos nun is search for DragonPay. Yan. Type in DragonPay. Yan. DragonPay. Click mo lang siya. Tapos yung need mo nang i-type yung or i-paste yung reference number, yung contact number mo, at yung email address. Make sure na tama yung malalagay nyo dyan. Importante yan guys. So, after that, kailangan mong i-type yung 25 pesos na service fee plus yung 1,500 na gusto mong i-convert from GCredit to cash. So, ang total nun is 1,525. Pagkatapos nun, click next lang. Dahil ma-RT ako, gusto ko ng Protect. So, Get Bill Protect. Click ko yan. Tapos, click mo lang yung GCredit. Ayan. Tapos, kung tama naman lahat ng mga nakalagay na details, guys, click nyo lang yung Confirm. So, yan. Loading pa. After that, makaka-receive ka ng email or notification na from GCash na successfully na-convert mo na yung or nag-pay ka na sa DragonPay. So, confirmation din from coins.ph. Ayan, na-receive niya na yung 1,500 na kinonvert mo from GCredit to cash. Login ka lang sa coins.ph. Ayan, ayan na. May 1,500 na ako. Tada! After nun is makaka-receive ka rin ng SMS na successful yung pagka-transfer mo ng money. So, ayan lang guys. Ganun lang kadali. Thank you. Bye.